Hi guys, today I want to show you something very special. This is not a modern website. This is not something I built recently. I created this temple about 15 years ago using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Yes, 15 years ago. And when I look at this today, I still feel very excited. Look at the design, the ASCII-style patterns, the colors, animations and the symbols. At the time, this was my way of experimenting with what could be done using basic web technologies like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There were no fancy frameworks like React, Node, Tailwind, no modern UI libraries. Just HTML, CSS, JavaScript and a little creativity. If you look closely, you will find that almost everything here was created using text and numbers. The temple structure, the patterns, the pillars, the Shivalingam, everything is designed using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript, guys. I want you to try to recreate this temple using only HTML, CSS and JavaScript, guys. Think, how would you structure the HTML? How would you position all these elements? Which parts should be created using CSS? Where would you use the JavaScript? How would you create the animations? And most importantly, how close can you get to the original temple image? I right click and show the source code. You can see I just used HTML and some CSS and JavaScript to generate the patterns. Create these patterns and the structure, I just used HTML, CSS and JavaScript, guys. Let's see how would you build this project today. If you're able to create this temple, paste the code in the comment section. Let's connect and discuss. If you want to become master in HTML, CSS, JavaScript or any web technologies, visit my YouTube channel Chidre's Tech Tutorials. Master web dev, game dev, coding, multimedia and AI. Have a good day, guys.